Look at this. Or maybe let's not go anywhere. Hey!
The breakfast. The vlog of the vlog of the vlog.
Got the GoPro to do some of this. Man, look at all this water on my windshield.
Okay, bye.
Right, so I'm setting this up because we're gonna do the waking up early, getting the breakfast, rice spec driving. Man, can you imagine? You're about to put these on the rice spec cars. So you're going this way.
That's sick. You can't see anything.
That's sick. You can't see anything. Whoa! Look at these sick cars. You can see now because of the light. Okay, we're gonna hook these guys up real quick. Why is it? Oh, look at me! Don't have the key. I mean, the usual spot I put is right here. All right, so this is where I'm putting my GoPro, and we're gonna play. Is this gonna fall off tonight? So this looks like it's the spot, but I swear we've done this and it's fallen.
Well, we did it with the...
Oh, I think I have the insert clip. Oh, fuck. No, remember I think I took your car out for a joyride and I tried putting it right there and it fell?
Yeah, but did you use the GoPro section or this section?
I don't know. A1 call. Hopefully that stays. The problem is that these are here. Who needs a rear defroster?
I do.
Look at this. Or maybe let's not go anywhere. Hey! All right. What did they do? All right. See you in the morning. What the hell is this at 3%? All right, so we got the mics. I think the GoPros are still in place. Look, you can't see anything through that window. You can see something through this window. All right, hopefully this one stays.
And we're gonna go get breakfast.
Oh yeah, we gotta do the waking up early, getting breakfast.
This is a day in a life.
You know that BS. All right, let's go. Okay. Oh, we got to put the GoPro on the ground first, and then pretend to leave, and then have to come back and get this. Okay, we did pretend leaving.
Welcome to another Rev Matched Rice vlog. And we are 2 cars deep to get the breakfast. We gotta get the breakfast. The Bay actually wanted to go out this morning.
Man, the Bay's super high performance tires keep kicking up so much water.
He's currently driving with his windows open, which I am not understanding.
Man, look at all this water on my windshield from the super ultra high performance tires. From the super ultra high performance tires. From the Bay.
We also have my GoPro hooked up at my back window, so I really hope it is secure. But we'll see. So far, you're holding up. If you all of a sudden fall, you know why you fell. It's because of my defrosters.
Super high performance tires. But on the way, 2 cars deep to the breakfast spot. Got the GoPro to do. Let me turn this on. Got the GoPro to do some of this. Oh, why is my wind? Oh yeah, my wipers were on because of super high performance tires from the Bay.
Oh, that's something I need. I need windshield wipers. I mean, granted, it doesn't rain a lot in our area, but...
Anyways, like I said, 2 cars deep to the breakfast spot. Let's focus. It's funny because this is one of those times where it would be great if one of these lights turned red, but it's not.
This Audi wants to go.
It rains, so I want to do the, man, why does that car gotta be right there? I want to do we have a slow car, it rained. Okay, maybe I gotta roll up my windows. Or maybe not. I gotta leave the windows rolled down so I can hear the right sounds. I can hear my performance. Oh, maybe right here. Maybe right here. Maybe right here we'll do the, oh damn it, I should have closed my windows. Oh well, it's too late. It's too late. Right here, we'll do. We have a slow car. It rained.
Do I try to do some handheld right now?
The bay's getting too far away. Like I was losing traction from all my horsepower just now. So I got to keep up. But it's hard, you know, when you have 1,000 horses. How many times have I made that stupid joke? Oh, look at the bay doing that, so I got to do that too. Oh, God damn it. Look at me in fifth gear still. Oh, look at me so far away.
My hand. Okay, tried to do handheld, and I think my hand is now freezing. It froze off. It is pretty nice though. I like the cloudy, but still, they call it partly cloudy forecast at the moment. I don't like super beating sunshine, but this is nice.
Look at me still not rolling up my windows. Oops. Stop recording. Look at all this water on this GoPro. Man, look at all this stuff happening right now. Look at all this stuff happening. I'm not ready.
Cops? No cops. Okay, now we're catching up to people, so I'm gonna slow down a little.
But you have to have you know, when you have such a fast car, you need to make sure you have quick reaction timing. Your reaction timing needs to be on point. Okay, so why are we out again? Oh yeah, we're getting the breakfast. 2 cars deep to the breakfast. Have to do that. Hey guys, so this is my morning routine. I wake up, I wash my face, I work out. Shut up. Look at all this water on this GoPro. I'll give you my morning routine. Some rice. Okay. Is that hashtag stop it with the dumb jokes? On the way to the breakfast spot. Cars deep at the bay. Got the vlogging GoPros. Breakfast burrito and cookie and slice of pie. Not that slice of life anime. Or is this a slice of life anime right now? Anime name, please.
We made it! And the GoPro didn't fall.
Oh, fuck.
We're such professional vloggers in our placement of our GoPros. I would say that's A+.
Wait, are they even open? Wait, yeah, of course they're open. We ordered on the phone. I'm telling you, when I'm older, I'm gonna be like one of those nutheads that just talks to themselves. I mean, that's why I'm so good at vlogging. Take notes. Wow. Also, I think the GoPro on the bay, I think it didn't fall, so we're good. Man, look at all this water. Look at that bumper been needing to replace. Look at the bay taking too long. I'm joking.
Okay. My reverse wasn't working. Yay, we made it.
Look at me gonna park right here, so that way when people come out of Corky's, they see the bay first. Sick. What's up? Follow the build. Okay, we're at the place, and I got all this water fell right here.
Because you were driving with your windows down.
Yeah. Listen to the vlog earlier to find out why. I gotta leave the windows rolled down so I can hear the right sounds. I can hear my performance. Oh no. Yeah.
Okay, bye. We on that double device vlogging.
So we got a vlog, we got a vlog, and we got the breakfast.
We got the vlog, and then we got the rice.
Sick. All right. Shoot, I'm really pretty hungry. Oh man, look at the car's dirty now. Oh well. Let's get it right tomorrow anyway. Is that my keys? Found the keys.
Let's go. Okay, we have successfully obtained the breakfast, and now we are on the way back to the Rice Spec garage. But before that, we need to get some Rice Spec rollers. First, we need to endure these speed bumps. I've been on this road before, and if you go too fast, the speed bumps just really get you. So you need to go very slowly.
All right, we got the breakfast. Now we gotta head back to the lab so we can go back to cooking some rice. 2 cars deep at the bay.
signal, even though it is one way. Oops, that did not happen. Cut that out. Whee!
Oh, we could get rollers.
We have a guest.
We could get some rollers of the bay. Right here, what's this? Light turns green. But I'm gonna put this right here where my nuts.
What did you say?
Oh no, I said I'm putting this GoPro on my nuts. Is it still recording? Did this die? This is at 3% again.
Oh no, it's at 3% again.
I think this GoPro's like done. Or is it the batteries?
Uh-oh.
I guess since my GoPro's dead, let me go to the right so you can get rollers of me.
Okay, you need to go on the left.
Or yeah, like, yeah.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Okay, well, hopefully it is just the battery and not the GoPro. I think a way to test would be to put that GoPro's battery into this one since that one's working. And if it goes down to like 3% again, then this GoPro's done.
We're currently getting rollers of the CRZ, and I hope you can hear me because all my windows are open. And then the status update on my hand, it's still freezing.
And that sucks. We've had this GoPro for a while. I mean, I guess if we're lucky, it's the batteries. This is the day in the life of trying to vlog that rice. Technical difficulties. Oh shit, why am I so far away?
Scary.
Wait, what was I doing? Faker.